Hello friends, in this video, we are going to share Artfire reviews. Artfire.com is a website for sellers and buyers. Yes, it is a known digital marketing platform for selling your artwork, your product and handmade goods. Like Shopify, you can create your own shop on this website. Like this store, your store will exist on this website. This website is in the business for a long time. Hence, it is not a scam website. Here, setting up a store will be an easy task. We should mention, much easier than Shopify store. However, Artfire reviews from the buyers are not positive. We found a website where we found over 200 reviews and most of the customers have mentioned about scam. They are yelling upon the brand and mentioning it as a scam. The overall rating of this store in these many reviews is below 2 out of 5 stars. People are not happy with the service quality and product quality. They are mentioning about several existing stores and scam done by these stores. Considering all this, we are not recommending order placement over Artfire.com. But, this one is a good place to sell your artwork, handmade goods and other product. You can consider it for creating your own store. As this one is easier to handle and not require much technical knowledge, we can recommend this website for sellers. However, internet is full of bad customer reviews and buyers are not happy from this website. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel to have more scam alert videos.